Hi everyone, this is Surbi here. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here, and thank you for all the people, all the viewers, subscribers for your big support. It's really helped me a lot and it's really motivating me to carry on making some more videos for you all. Today's painting is going to be on a 30 centimeter round canvas, and for this painting I'm going to base coat this canvas with a beautiful mix of Prussian blue and iridescent blue color. So this one has a shine in it, and both of them are from Pebeo. So this has got lovely metallic shine in it, and all the colors are mixed with just water. So it's just paint and water. It's a Dutch pour. So this is the base, and this is how the mixture looks like. Very nice and runny into very thin consistency. So I will base coat my canvas first, and after that I'm going to pour some paints on top of each other. Look at the amazing cells here. Beautiful. I loved how these colors have mixed together, and there's lots of shimmer and shine. Beautiful. Love that. I like it. Love this part here. The phthalo green and the turquoise blue are really working nicely together. Look at these tiny cells. Amazing. And this is my best part. And I'm just hoping these shimmery colors stay like that when they dry. Love it. And I love the base coat as well, the back one as well. So I hope you like this video as well. Please give me a like or subscribe to my channel, or leave some comments for me. That would be great. And thank you once again for being here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying with me. And I'll share the dried result with you as well. Take care. Bye now.